Hello students, welcome back. Are you ready to learn? Wow, you're all ready. So today we will talk about animals and their young ones. Again, animals and their young ones. Okay, so before we will start, let's read our vocabulary. I want you to listen first, and after, let's read the vocabulary all together. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So please listen. Rabbit, kit, cow, calf, duck, duckling, turkey, pult, cat, kitten. Okay, one more time. Rabbit, kit, cow, calf, duck, duckling, turkey, pult, cat, kitten. Okay, so this time I want you to repeat after me, okay? And let's spell the words all together. Okay, repeat after me, okay? Rabbit. Okay, let's spell the word rabbit. Ready? R A B B I T. Good job. Next, kit. One more time, kit. Okay, let's spell the word kit. Ready? K I T, kit. Okay, next, cow. One more time, cow. Okay, let's spell the word cow. C O W. Okay, next, calf. Very good. Now let's spell the word calf. Ready? C A L F, calf. Okay, next, duck. One more time, duck. Okay, let's spell the word duck. D U C K, duck. Okay, next one is duckling. Okay, let's spell the word D U C K L I N G, duckling. Very good. Next, say the word turkey. Again, turkey. Alright, let's spell T U R K E Y, turkey. Very good. Next, pult. One more time. Pult. Okay, let's spell the word. Ready? P O U L T, pult. Good job. Next, cat. Cat. Let's spell the word. C A T, cat. Okay, the last one is kitten. Kitten. Okay, let's spell the word. K I T T E N, kitten. Very good. So I have here different pictures of those animals. Okay, so the animals and their young ones. Okay, so this one is rabbit. Okay, look at the picture. This one is rabbit. And the young one of rabbit is kit. Very good. Again, the young one of rabbit is kit. Okay, look at the picture. The first picture is rabbit, and the young one of rabbit is kit. Very good. Next one we have cow. Again, cow. Okay, the first picture is cow. And look at the young one of cow. What is the name? Calf. Very good. Again, the young one of cow is calf. Okay, look at the picture. Baby cow, the calf, and the parent cow. Okay. Next one is duck. Look at the first picture. Duck. And the second picture is the young one of duck. What is the name of the young one of duck? Duckling. Okay, duckling. Look at the picture. The duck and the duckling. Next, turkey. Look at the picture. Turkey and the young one of turkey. Okay, the first picture is turkey, and the second one is the young one of turkey. What is it? Poult. Very good. Again, the young one of turkey is poult. This is the baby turkey. Okay. Next, we have cat. Okay, so look at the picture. The cat and their young one. Okay, so what is the name of the young one of cat? Kitten. Okay, the second picture is kitten, and the first picture is cat. The name of the young one of cat is kitten. So I have here question. Okay, I have here questions. I want to know if you really understand the topic. Okay, so for example, teacher will ask, what animal is it? So your answer should be, it's a. Okay, next question. What do you call a young blank? So your answer is, a young blank is called. Okay, let's try this one. What animal is it? It's a rabbit. Good job. Next, what do you call a young rabbit? A young rabbit is called kit. Very good. The answer is kit. Next, what animal is it? It's a duck. Good job. So what do you call a young duck? A young duck is called duckling. Very good. A young duck is called duckling. So it's our activity time, okay? So I want you to answer your worksheet. This one is very easy. Write your name, your surname, number, okay? So this is very easy. Match the animals with their young one. Okay, you have to match. So for example, first picture is rabbit. Okay, so look at the young one of rabbit. Where is it? You have to match. Okay, you have to match. Do you understand? Very good. Very good, students. I hope you learned something from our lesson for today. So that's all. Thank you and goodbye.